Let us take one more example based on the reduction formula. If In is equal to integration of cot to the power nx dx under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2 with respect to x, then prove that In is equal to 1 upon n minus 1 minus 1 upon n minus 2. Hence, evaluate integration under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2 of cot to the power 6x dx. It means the value of n equal to 6 means we have to find out I6. We have given that In is equal to integration under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2 of cot to the power nx dx. Now we have to first find out the reduction formula of cot to the power nx. We have to replace or we have to break down cot to the power nx with in two part cot to the power n minus 2x and cot square x. Now we apply now we know that what is cot square of x? Cot square of x is nothing but cosec square x minus 1. If we open the bracket, it will convert it to cot n minus 2x into cosec square x minus cot to the power n minus 2x dx. Let us again simplify we have to open this bracket, whole bracket, then integration under the limit 0 to pi by 4 to pi by 2 of cot to the power n minus 2x into cosec square x with respect to x minus integration under the limit 0 to pi by 4 to pi by 2 of cot to the power n minus 2x dx. We have written the same thing over here. Now, if you want to integrate it, just look here. If we put cot x is equal to t, then integration of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x dx. Or we can also apply this formula, integration of f of x to the power n into f dash of x, which is equal to f of x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here, integration of cot x is, derivative of cot x is cosec minus cosec square x. Therefore, it will convert it to f of x to the power n minus 2, f dash of x dx. It will convert it to, its value, its integration will be cot x to the power n minus 2 plus 1. Here it is n plus 1 and whole divided by n minus 2 plus 1. N is n minus 2 here. And there is a minus sign because the derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x minus this part is nothing but in place of n it is n minus 2. So we can write down in minus 2. Let us simplify this one. This will, if you put cot pi by 2, we have to first take minus 1 upon n minus 1 outside, then cot to the power pi by 2 to the power n minus 1 minus cot pi by 4 whole to the power n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Minus 1 upon n minus 1, cot pi by 2 is 0, so 0 to the power n minus 1, and cot pi by 4 is 1. It will be 1 to the power n minus 1. If we again simplify it, minus 1 upon 1 upon n minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus in minus 2. Or it can be written as this minus 1 and this minus will become plus 1 upon n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Therefore, in is equal to 1 upon n minus 1 minus in minus 2. This is the desired reduction formula of the given integration. Now we have to calculate I6. Putting n equal to 6 in equation number 2, we have 1 upon 6 minus 1, I6 minus 2, because we have in is equal to 1 upon n minus 1 minus in minus 2. N is replaced by 6. So 1 upon 6 minus 1 minus the I6 minus 2. which gives us 1 by 5 minus 1 I4. Again, we want to calculate the value of I4. So we put here n equal to 4. Putting n equal to 4 in this equation number 2, we have I4 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 1 minus I4 minus 2, which is nothing but 1 upon 3 minus I2. We have to calculate the value of I2, so we have to put n equal to 2 in this formula. I2 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 1, no, sorry, 2 minus 1 minus I2 minus 2. 1 upon 2 minus 1 means 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 upon 1 minus I0, which is equal to 1 minus I0. Now we have to calculate the value of I0. For this purpose, we put here 6 can be replaced, or n can be replaced by 0. It will become cot to the power 0x dx. And cot to the power 0x is 1. So integration of 1 dx, which is equal to integration of x under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2. And then it will be pi by 4. Now we have to resubstitute all these values. So I0, we put the value of I0 over here. We get the value of I2. I6 is equal to 1 upon 5 minus I4. 1 upon 5. I4 is equal to 1 upon 3 minus I2. Plus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3 plus I2. The value of I2 is 1 minus I0. 1 minus I0. This will become 3 minus 5 upon 15. 3 minus 5 upon 15 plus 1. I0 is, what is the value of I0? It is I pi by 4, which gives us minus 2 plus 15 upon 15 minus pi by 4, which is equal to 13 upon 15 minus pi by 4. Therefore, the value of I6 is equal to 13 upon 15 minus pi by 4. This is our answer. Thank you.